My name is Veer. I am from India. My age is 36. I am working as a mechanical engineer in a power plant. I am interested in swimming actually, and when I was searching for a swimming trainer or swimming coach, so in the Google, so Nano training popped up in the Google. So through Google, I got to the Nano training. Through Nano trainer, I took 5 lessons. In that 5 lessons, first thing I learned how to breathe in water, how to hold breath in water, and how to practice it. Next thing, I learned different techniques in the swimming, like dog paddling, back swimming, Superman kick, and freestyle. My opinion about the Nano trainer is she is a well experienced swimming coach or swimming trainer. She teaches every technique with the mistakes will be done while doing the swimming. And when we are performing the swimming also, she notes the mistakes and she tells us these are the mistakes you have been performed and to correct these mistakes. And the exercises which she is giving, that can be practiced at home, and with that you can do swimming in the swimming pools if you don't have the swimming pool also. And she is a very well educated and well trained and well experienced swimming coach with lots of patience. My advice regarding swimming is it's a very good exercise which builds stamina. And then one thing is when you learn swimming, you will be not afraid of water, and when your kids will be swimming in the water, so you will not be afraid, so that you will be there to help them in swimming. My advice about the swimming is it's a very good exercise which builds our stamina. And then when you practice swimming, you will be relaxed, you will have fun. So keep doing swimming always, and so that you will be not afraid of water when your kids are swimming or when you are swimming. So I advise to exercise swimming and to practice swimming.